Okay, for part 2, I'm going to add a VBYesNo option. So I'm going to copy this program from part 1 and paste it below. I'll name it Hello World 2. And we're going to start off the same way by getting an input from the user for their name, which is a string text variable. But now instead of just having a message box that shows a result, I'm going to collect a second input from them via a message box that has a yes/no option. We haven't done a lot of these in class, so some of you may not remember this, but in the very first day of class when we did the dog, what was it called, the dog breed recommendation system, that had a VBYesNo. So I'm going to define confirmation as integer. And then after they input the name, I'm going to set confirmation equal to a message box where I ask them to confirm their entry. So I'm going to have a fixed phrase again. Okay, so after you finish doing a normal message box, you add a comma and then the option for VBYesNo. And the value to the user, it's going to pop up the phrase and with a VBYesNo, either a yes or a no option, and depending on what they click, the value of the variable, in this case confirmation, is either going to be equal to VBYes or VBNo. So now I'm going to add a if-then else statement. So if confirmation is equal to VBYes, then I'll have a message box, same one we had below, or in the first part, so I'm going to copy that down. And then I'll just have an else. Okay, so let's test this out. So I'm going to add my button again. Well, I'm clumsy. So I run it. I want to test all combinations. If I say yes, I should get the same message. Run it again. If I say no, I get okay, please try again.